Hello students. So today we are solving question number 44 from GATE 2024 psychology paper. So the question is, which theory emphasizes individual subjective frame of reference? So whenever we talk about subjectivity, it specifies your own mindset, right? What you are thinking from your own perspective, right? So over here, if we see the options, we have behavioristic, we have dispositional, we have phenomenological, and then we have psychoanalytic. If we look at these options, phenomenology would become your answer over here. Why? Because phenomenology given by Alfred Schutz, Schutz he talks about phenomenology itself means we study from the perspective of those who are being studied. Who are being studied.